Story Nest.
Bubbles the bunny, with her fluffy white tail bobbing, hopped excitedly through the whispering meadow grass, her long pink ears twitching with curiosity. Beside her scampered Sammy the squirrel, his bushy tail held high as his bright eyes darted from side to side, always on the lookout for acorns or interesting finds. I will generate a high-definition 16:9 1080p 3D 60 FPS animation-style image showing Bubbles the bunny, a white rabbit with long pink ears and a bobbing tail, hopping through green meadow grass. Sammy the squirrel with a bushy tail and bright eyes will be running beside her. The lighting will be soft and natural, typical of a sunny meadow. "Did you hear that, Sammy?" Bubbles whispered, her nose twitching. It sounded like giggling flowers. Sammy stopped abruptly, his tiny claws digging into the soft earth. He tilted his head, his ears perked up. "Giggling flowers. Now I've heard it all, Bubbles," he chuckled, but a hint of curiosity flickered in his eyes. I will generate a high-definition 16:9 1080p 3D 60 FPS animation-style image of Bubbles the bunny and Sammy the squirrel stopping in the meadow. Bubbles will have her nose twitching and be looking intently to the side, while Sammy will be tilting his head with a curious expression. The background will be slightly blurred to focus attention on the characters. Following the faint melodic sounds, they ventured deeper into the meadow, pushing aside tall blades of grass and colorful wildflowers. Suddenly, the trees parted, revealing a sight that made their jaws drop. It was a hidden garden, bathed in sunlight, unlike anything they had ever seen. Flowers of every imaginable color swayed gently in the breeze, and tiny bell-shaped blossoms seemed to chime with laughter.
Hey!
I will generate a high-definition 16:9 1080p 3D 60 FPS animation-style image showing Bubbles the bunny and Sammy the squirrel standing at the entrance of a hidden garden. Their expressions will be of awe and wonder as they gaze upon the vibrant scene. The garden will be filled with colorful, unique flowers and bathed in warm sunlight. As they stepped into the garden, a wave of pure joy washed over them. Butterflies with wings like stained glass fluttered around their heads, and plump bumblebees buzzed happily as they collected nectar. Bubbles giggled, twirling amidst the dancing blossoms, while Sammy chased after a particularly iridescent butterfly, his heart filled with an unexpected lightness. I will generate a high-definition 16:9 1080p 3D 60 FPS animation-style image of Bubbles the bunny, twirling joyfully in the hidden garden, surrounded by colorful flowers. Butterflies with stained glass-like wings will be fluttering around her. In the background, Sammy the squirrel will be chasing a brightly colored butterfly, looking happy and carefree. They spent the entire afternoon exploring the hidden garden, discovering sparkling ponds where tiny fish with shimmering scales swam, and trees with leaves that rustled with happy melodies. They shared stories and laughter, their friendship blossoming as brightly as the flowers around them. As the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the magical place, Bubbles and Sammy knew they had found something truly special, a secret garden where happiness grew, and where their bond of friendship had deepened in the most joyful way. I will generate a high-definition 16:9 1080p 3D 60 FPS animation-style image of Bubbles the bunny and Sammy the squirrel, sitting together by a sparkling pond in the hidden garden as the sun sets. The scene will have a warm golden glow. They will be looking at each other with happy smiles, symbolizing their strong friendship. The pond will reflect the colorful flowers and the setting sun.